Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're well. In this video, I will introduce you to Unior's wheel stand-down calibrating tool. First of all, we'll look at what this tool is used for, and then I'll give you some guidance on how to use this tool properly. Okay, let's go. Wheel trunk stand indicators need to be perfectly centered in the stand to be used as rim centering devices. To check and adjust the position of the indicators, a wheel stand-down calibrating tool should be used, as it mimics a hub and a perfectly centered rim. To install the calibrating tool, open up the wheel trunk stand using the side knob. Place the tool in the stand's axle slots and hold the shaft in between the indicators. Tighten the side knob with enough force so the tool can stand alone in between the indicators. Bring the indicators closer to the shaft and stop when one of them touches it. In this case, the indicators are off-centered to the right. They should be brought back to the left. To do so, you should untighten the right nut the distance you want to bring the indicators to the left. You should then tighten the left nut the exact same amount you have untightened on the opposite side, which will bring back the indicators into alignment in comparison to the shaft. You can finally remove the calibrating tool from the stand by releasing the side knob. If you have any questions concerning Unior's wheel stand-down calibrating tool, please contact us or your local dealer and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.